Hello, hi, good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter 3 data handling of class 7th from NCERT. To know about data handling you have to know about the following terms. The first term is data. Data होता क्या है? Now, for analytical study we need information is in the form of numerical figure. If you want to study any information, then you have to you need that information in the form of numerical figure. That is called data. Now the next one is raw data. Data obtained in the original form is called raw data. I will explain. Observation. Each numerical figure in the data is called an observation. Okay, now the next one is array. Arranging the numerical figures of a data is in ascending or descending order is called an array. Frequency. Frequency. The numbers of times a same observation occurs is called its frequency. To understand all these terms, we will take a data. Suppose 2, 3, 44, 55, 67, 110, 105, 118 are the scores which are scored by the batsman. Okay, in a cricket test match. In a test cricket match, these are the scores which are scored by the batsman. Okay, now the batsman. This is called 56, 55. We take many more data. 55, 55, 67. Now, originally we will find this data which is called data, because if we want to study, if we want to do analytical study, that which batsman scored a maximum run और who has scored less than 100 और कितने लोगों ने सेंचुरी बनाई, अगर हमें ये सारी चीजें पता करनी है तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या चाहिए होगा? उस मैच का डेटा चाहिए होगा हमें, उस मैच का हमें डेटा चाहिए होगा. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड डेटा. फॉर एनालिटिकल स्टडी वी नीड इंफॉर्मेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल फिगर कॉल्ड डेटा. डेटा तो चाहिए होगा. अगर हमें पता करना होगा उस टेस्ट मैच में किसने अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया, कौन बेस्ट स्कोरर रहा, कौन बेस्ट बॉलर रहा, तो वी नीड डेटा. क्लियर? नाउ द सेकंड वन इज रॉ डेटा. डेटा ऑब्टेन इन द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड द रॉ डेटा. हमें जो डेटा मिला ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में, इट इज कॉल्ड रॉ डेटा. कच्चा डेटा. रॉ डेटा में तुम कह सकते हो कच्चा डेटा. जैसे कि अगर तुम्हें खीर बनानी है तो उसके लिए कच्ची चीज क्या मिलेगी? दही और बेसन. दही और बेसन की खीर खाते हो क्या? नहीं. उसके लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल हमारा होगा खीर के लिए वो होगा दूध और चावल. इसी तरह से ये रॉ डेटा, अभी ये कच्चा डेटा है, अभी हमें इसे पकाना है, पका के इसमें से इसको अरेंज करना है. खीर नहीं निकलेगी, प्लीज परेशान ना होइए. रॉ डेटा मींस डेटा ऑब्टेन इन द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड रॉ डेटा. ये हमें ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में हम गए और हमने देखा कि ये स्कोर किया है बैट्समैन ने. दिस इज कॉल्ड रॉ डेटा. नाउ ऑब्जर्वेशन. Each numerical figure in the data is called an observation. Each numerical figure means 56 is an observation, 2 is an observation, 3 is an observation, 44 is an observation, 55 is an observation, 67, 110, 105, 118, 55, 55, 67. ये सारे के सारे क्या हैं? Observation. Now the next one is array. Arranging the numerical figure of a data is in ascending order or descending order is called an array. Means you have to arrange this data either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. Now I will arrange the data in the ascending order. Ascending order में करते हैं. Now 2, 3, 44, 44, 44, 44, 55, 67. एक मिनट. 55. 55 how many times? 55 3 times. Okay, now 55, 55, comma 55, again 56, then 56, 56, 56, then 56, after 56 67, comma 67, comma 105, 110, 118. Now the given data are arranged in ascending order. Okay. Frequency, the number of times please, the number of times a same observation occurs is called its frequency. The number of times a same observation occurs, same observation means 55 is the 55 55 55, the same observation occurs 3 time in a data ना. तो आप तो 55 की frequency कितनी हुई 3. Now 67 2 times, we have 67 2 times in the given data na. So what is the frequency of 67? 2. The frequency of 67 is 2. The frequency of 2 is 1. The frequency of 3 is 1. The frequency of 44 is 1. The frequency of 55 is 3. The frequency of 56 1. The frequency of 67 2. The frequency of 105 1. The frequency of 110 1. The frequency of 110 good 1. Now this is the frequency. Okay, now what you have to do, the next topic for this is range. What is range? The difference between the maximum value and the minimum value is called its range. Means what is the minimum value here 2, and what is the maximum number 118. Find their difference so that it is called range. Is that clear? Thank you. Now exercise 3.1.